Animal husbandry. Learning about animal husbandry. Crossbred strains of animals. Technology has been developed for obtaining not only hybrid plants but hybrid strains of animals too. The yield from such animals is greater. The profits are greater too. An Indian cow yields 5 to 6 liters of milk every day. However, if she is crossed with a Jersey, Holstein or Red Din bull, the yield from the offspring rises to 10 to 12 liters daily. Cows of the Kandhari, Devani, Khilari and Dangi varieties of Maharashtra have been selected for crossbreeding at the national level. We keep cows and buffaloes for their milk. We keep bullocks, horses, asses and oxen for doing heavy physical labor and bullocks, horses and camels for transport. Animals feed mostly on plants. Animal husbandry has become a complementary business to farming. It includes keeping the sheep, poultry and pigs. Other animal-based occupations include sericulture, pearl farming, pisciculture and obtaining lac. Such complementary occupations help to enhance income. Sheep rearing. A farmer can easily keep sheep as he does not have to incur any expenditure to feed them. Sheep can live on bor and barbul trees and shrubs that grow wild as also on the stubble and waste of jowar, groundnuts, horse gram, etc. Sheep give wool, meat and skins, but even their droppings give good manure to the fields. Thus, it is profitable for the farmer to keep the sheep. One Indian sheep gives 1.5 kilogram of wool and 10 to 12 kilograms of meat. The farmer can sell these for a profit. There is more nitrogen, phosphorus and potash in the excreta of sheep than in that of other animals. Poultry farming. Poultry is kept for both meat and eggs. Different birds are kept for each of these purposes. Hens kept for laying eggs are called layers, while those kept for meat are called broilers. Hens that will eat less and lay more eggs are selected as layers. Since no Indian variety of hens meet this requirement, a foreign variety called the white leghorn is used for the purpose. Each hen needs 125 grams of a nourishing diet every day and lays 200 to 250 eggs in a year. An egg meant for eating is not a fertilized egg, so there is no possibility of obtaining chick from it. Such eggs are called table eggs. Birds kept for meat must have more flesh. They are fed more so that they gain more weight in their fleshy parts. The varieties preferred for this are Rhode Island Red and the White Leghorn. In a period of 8 to 10 weeks, their weight becomes 1300 to 1500 grams. These birds are preferred for eating. Pearl culture. Since ancient times, pearls have been considered important. As pearls are used for making ornaments and decorative articles as also in embroidery, they are in great demand. This gives rise to the pearl industry. Pearls are obtained from marine animal called oyster. Previously, we depended entirely on nature to obtain the pearls. Now, a technique for inserting a grain of sand inside the oyster's body at the right time has been developed. As a result of this, large pearls can be obtained on a commercial scale. Such pearls are called cultured pearls. Thus, you can see that cultured pearls are not artificially pearls manufactured in a factory. The lac industry. The sealing wax is used in offices to seal the envelopes. This material is called lac. It is also used for making a variety of beads and costume jewelry. The attractive and colored lac is a material secreted by the lac insect. These insects live on cacti or on the flame of the forest, that is, palash tree. Lac is produced only in India. It is produced because of its commercial value. Sericulture. Man has learned to rear the silkworm to obtain the high-quality silk fiber that they yield. Sericulture is a profitable business. There are several varieties of silkworm. Of these, the one that lives on the mulberry leaves yield a very fine variety of silk, and the one that eats ain leaves yield a silk called tassel silk, which is very strong. The life cycle of the silkworm is similar to that of a mosquito. The 4 stages of its life cycles are egg, larva, pupa, and imago, that is, adult moth. It is in the larva stage that the silkworms need the leaves to eat. The salivary gland that opens into the mouth of the mature larva secretes a sticky substance. The reaction of this substance with air changes it into the thread. The larva winds this thread around itself to form a cocoon. The cocoons are boiled in water to obtain the silk yarn. Pisciculture. Down the ages, man has been eating both fresh water and sea fish. Earlier, man only caught the fish that were available in nature. Now, the desired varieties of fish are grown from their seeds in the sea or in other water bodies and are used for eating. The government makes good quality fish seed available for the purpose. Fish are included in seafoods. Some freshwater fish are katla, rohu, mrigal, and carp, while some sea fish are boi, that is mullet fish, mudhushi, that is shellfish, Summary. Man uses animals for food and for doing heavy physical labor besides some other purposes. Animal husbandry involves meeting the basic needs of animal we keep. Animal husbandry includes sheep rearing, poultry farming, pearl culture, the lac industry, sericulture and pisciculture, etc. So that is all in this lesson, student. Keep learning.